can say this work was done by me and some of my collaborating friends, and it is very good. We got it published soon. Sometime in 1990, I don't remember the year now.
May I come in, sir?
Bed.
Sir, I was late because I was cooking.
Food? Oh, missed ka khana. I understand. I will give you some more references. There is this beautiful work done in 1969, and the final reference is by PKG MAJP in the year of 2014. This is a wonderful work done, and it includes everything. It's the best in mathematical physics I have ever come across.
अबे यार कुछ भी लिख रहा है बे।
Oh my God! I'm extremely sorry. I just forgot to do this text. हाँ, कुछ भी तो लग ही रहा है. Now we'll move to this problem of water falling from a tank. Suppose there is some tank with water in it, and I make a small hole here. The water comes out from it. Question बहुत आसान है. What's the velocity? जिससे पानी बाहर आ रहा है. You need to find this v. ये तो आपने 12th में भी किया होगा. कर लो थोड़ा. अभी थोड़ा कर लो. और जो ना कर पाए वो इंश्योर करें कि आज रात को 8 बजे तक आपको ये क्वेश्चन आ जाना चाहिए. ये आसान है. कर प्रणीत संदीप सुनी तो ठीक है. नेहा शायद कुछ कर रही है. ये सब कितना आसान है. बुक में कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड बुक उठा लो, ग्राइनर या श्वाबल. आप लोगों को श्वाबल पसंद नहीं है, बट ये किसी भी बुक में करा हुआ होगा. सिर्फ पढ़िए और कर लीजिए एक बार लेकिन कर लेना चाहिए. मैं लिख देता हूँ थोड़ा आगे, आप कर लेना. जैसे फिर यहाँ से आप 20 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके निकाल सकते हैं. तो बताइए आंसर क्या है. मैं आंसर भी लिख देता हूँ. लेकिन ये हाइट अगर कैपिटल एच है तो यहाँ में स्मॉल एच क्यों नहीं है? आप लोगों ने किया? किसी ने किया है ये?
Sir, we can substitute small h as capital H.
अब ऐसा थोड़ी होता है. ये करके देखना पड़ेगा. ये देखिए, I will look at it at home, then I will tell you. Now we'll come to a very famous theorem by Landau. This theorem was solved by Landau in his childhood. It is a beautiful theorem. You just substitute the energy conservation and momentum conservation and you have the equation staring at you. Anybody can solve it. Anybody, all my students, all my collaborators have got it in first go. It is just nothing. It's very simple. Let me just say you conserve momentum you conserve energy, and the equation comes. This equation आसान है. It's just the beauty, the mark of genius of Landau. Have you people gone through the chapter 3 of Landau's cell biology? Let me write it for you. This is the main reference. Cell biology. I read it first when I was 16 years of age. It's just remarkable. After reading till chapter 3, you have to go for a walk. मतलब जाना ही. This पढ़ लेना. लाइब्रेरी में है किताब. Just pick up. अब ऐसा थोड़ी होता है कि एग्जाम है तो ही पढ़ेंगे. इंटरेस्ट के लिए इतनी सही से लिखा है इसमें. It's just beautiful. The theorem is just beautiful, staring at you directly.
अल्लाह, ये तो स्क्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन है.
हर दूसरी और इनका स्क्रोडिंगर सब एक ही चीज है भाई. सब माया है, बुझ है.
वो स्क्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन तो QM में है. हम तो यहाँ सिंपल चीजें कर रहे हैं. फ्लूइड डायनामिक्स, क्लासिकल है सब कुछ. अब एनर्जी कंजर्वेशन लगाइए, मोमेंटम कंजर्वेशन लगाइए, आ जाता है. दिस इज द ग्रेट वर्क ऑफ लैंडाउ. द स्क्रोडिंगर इक्वेशन केम बिकॉज स्क्रोडिंगर वाज मोटिवेटेड बाय दिस. यूजुअली किताबें ये चीजें नहीं बताती. Actually, I can show you, which I will show you at the end of class, that Schrodinger equation comes out of from this. This derivative is preserved all the way through. You just Landau in its book of cell biology, Hind दीजिए, chapter 9, section 4, line 28. He just gave a hint. That's the mark of genius we are looking at. It's such a beautiful theory. Such a complete theory.
Sir, I have derived this equation, and it's such a big derivation. So, what are you going to ask from this in exam?
See, it's such a beautiful theory, as I said to you. We are appreciating the wonderful work by Landau. एग्जाम में तो कुछ आसान चीजें आएंगी थ्रू. कर लेना, आसान ही होगा एग्जाम. और वैसे हम कल से वैसी चीजें करेंगे जो एग्जाम में आएंगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं. दिस इज जस्ट टू अप्रिशिएट द मार्क ऑफ जीनियस.
Sir, does this thing seems beautiful to you?
Yes, it is wonderful work.
If you think, sir, that this theorem is beautiful, then my definition of beauty is 1,000 times better than yours. I think I appreciate this theorem better than you. I was not worried about exams. I was just asking what kind of questions are probable from such a big derivation. And for your kind information, you don't need to point me out about the beauties of nature.
Alka!